Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here and another foodie review from Ljubljana, Slovenia. Today we're gonna try out Pop's Pizza, which is right here on the river in Old Town. And I figure since we're so close to Italy, why not try some pizza and see how it is here. So come join me as we check out some local eats here in Ljubljana, Slovenia. Alright guys, just want to give you a lowdown where it is. You got the beautiful castle up on the hill, and it's going to be over by this fountain, and it's right on the corner here. This is Pop's Place Pizza. It's got good reviews, so let's check it out and go inside. Alright, let's check out the menu at Pop's Pizza. By the way, the pizzas look fantastic here. It's a beautiful day out, 65 degrees. Figured why not just get some pizza and wine. Alright guys, pizza came out in literally 5 minutes. So it's got some spicy honey drizzle, jalapenos, salami, and it's got some chilies. It's got some also pecorino romano on it. Everything is 48-hour fermented sourdough. Oh my god. And we got the Cabernet Sauvignon here. Unbelievable. Wow. That's the place. Cheers, dude. Now you can make a picture. All right. That pizza was fantastic. Really enjoyed that. Very authentic Italian style. The crust was great. I had the La Gamorta and definitely recommend that. The ingredients that are used on this are top notch. I would probably put it in maybe my top 10 as one of my favorite pizzas I've ever had. So definitely check out Pop's. It's a good little spot here if you're not wanting anything Slovenian food-wise. Check out our other video that we're going to post up on Slovenian food. Until next time, we're off to another part of Slovenia, so we might have a video from there. But if not, we will be in Lithuania. So check out that video coming up soon. Like and subscribe.